Okay, we'll keep this too. Definitely keeping this. I'm gonna keep it. So we are going to keep it. We're keeping this too. We're keeping this one. It's a keeper. Okay, I'm just gonna start this over. Hi everybody. So welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, let's just get this over with. This isn't a super original idea. I was actually inspired by my friend Sarah Dunk here on YouTube to do this. She went through her whole like top section of her wardrobe. So I'm gonna do the same thing because girl needs to clean her closet. But I also want to give OG credit to Arden Rose here on YouTube. She is like Arden Rose, Garden Hose, I don't know. I've loved her since I started watching YouTube back when I was 15. And she was purging out her closet, has been doing this little series. So I'm gonna actually create a whole playlist of these videos as well as my friend Haley's video in some sort of playlist on my channel. So I'll put this in the description box below. But today we are going to do the tops of my closet. First, kind of dedicated to tops up here. And then I also have a bunch of stuff in my closet. Girl gets sent a lot of clothes and not all of them make the cut. So this is all the stuff that I've kept over the past year. Let's start with this drawer. This is all of the sweaters in this drawer. Oh God, okay. First top. Well, I know I'm not throwing this out because it was really expensive, but this is a sweater from Aritzia. This one's made of like part something fancy. Oh, it's 94% merino wool. Next thing I have in here is this little cardigan from Shein. I haven't worn it yet, so I'm gonna safety pin it like this and wear it like as a top, but for now, it will stay in the closet. Next thing I have here is a Princess Polly sweater. Fresh and makes me look like I have a tan. The next sweater I have here is also from Princess Polly, and this is a mink pink sweater. I really like because it is like really huge. Next thing I have here is a little hoodie. I got this at Valley Village when we went to the Raptors game in New York City. It's very small.
It's a kid's sweater.
It's a kid's sweater. We're keeping this one because let's go Raptors. Next sweater I have here is also from the thrift store. We're keeping this too. All of the cozy vibes. So next thing I have in here is actually not mine, it's my mom's, so definitely can't throw this away, but it's a Neiman Marcus cashmere shawl. I keep it because it is cozy. Yeah, I feel like a lady of leisure in this. Half here is from Shop Redone. Love the fit of this. I'm gonna link something similar to this in the description box too, but such a good like chill day sweater, so we are going to keep it. And plus, I actually don't have that many hoodies. This is like that comically small hoodie that I got from Shein. I think it's cute. It'll be cute with like high-waisted little joggers and stuff. This one's current, so I'll link this one in the description box. I have that much to give away because I go through my closet every single month, give things to my sister, give things to my friends, give things to Dylan's sister. Like, it all kind of spreads around. Nothing goes to waste. I actually have two of these, but one of them is in the car. I stained it, so that's why I ordered this one. It's my favorite sweater in the world. It's my Harvard sweater. I just love it. It's so cozy. I will link this too. But mind you, I ordered this in June from the Harvard website, got it in September. There is a crazy chain of emails because I have no idea why it took so long and they wouldn't give me a straight answer, so yeah. Next sweater here is this one from the thrift store. I wore this in a recent Instagram post. It's from LL Bean. I think I have it on backwards, but you guys get the idea. Just a plain cream sweater. It looks a lot like the XLE, the label one too. Glad I got it. I also have this one, which I recently wore, and I originally was going to give it away, but then I tried it on and I was like, ooh, this is cute. So I kept it for now, but I think this one's actually going to go back into the resale bin. So that will go into our giveaway pile. But this is from Shein. It's one of my favorite knits from there. That's why I got it in the second color. And that's why it's inside out, because I wore it. Yeah. Next sweater I own is from Public Butter, and it is the Jays World Series. When they won back in 1993 and 1992, it's as old as I am, and gotta represent the city. Next sweater I have here is from JM Vintage. It's a UCLA sweater. As you guys know, I also have an affinity for school sweaters. I just also realized I have no sweaters from my own university.
We did.
I think I gave them all to my sister and brother. And then last sweater in the drawer is my Daniel Caesar sweater from Will Studios. They only made, I think, like 100 of these, and it's their merch that they designed for Daniel Caesar, who's also based in Toronto, and he's like one of my favorite artists. This is so cool. It has the Freudian tour. I'll be here all week. And my mom wears the sweater too, even though she does not listen to Daniel Caesar. And now we're gonna move on to the drawer of doom. First one I have here is Brandy Melville. It's just a waffle top. I got this when I was in Barcelona because it was a little bit cheaper for me to buy it in Europe than here. Just a little waffly top. Love how oversized it is. I wear it to bed and I also wear it out. Gotta keep the loungy stuff. Next item I have is this top I just got from Shein. I really like the neckline of this, so I just got it. I'm gonna keep it. Next thing I have here is a Shop Redone long sleeve. This is gonna be in a haul, so definitely keeping this. Next top I have here is this Brandy Melville tube top. Put this on to show you guys, but I have it in black and I also have it in gray. Guess we have to keep this one too. And I put in a lot of my styling videos, so yeah. The legendary black turtleneck, you guys already know. Yeah. Next top I have here is a little Zara tee. If you guys notice, everything in here is really neutral. It's a little white Zara tee. Definitely keeping this because it's a really good basic and I like the fit. I bought this originally in the summer, again, and I have it in white too, but I think it's in the laundry. But this, I think I'm gonna actually give this away. Next thing I have here is another shirt. This is from Zara, but it's very like Brandy Melville. I feel like this is a little bit outdated, so I am not gonna keep this one. And I have the same tube top, but in gray. It's literally the exact same thing. Instagram Bay top with the little underwires. I got this from Shein. This is really cute on, so I'm gonna keep this one. I always like am tempted to give this away. It's from Shein. But every time I wear it, I get a lot of compliments, so I feel like it's like a sign to keep it. So, oh, I do like it on. Yeah, I like this on. Okay, we'll keep this too. Next top I have here, and this is something I bought when I used to work a seasonal job almost 4 years ago. This is from Tallulah. We have to wear all black, so that's why I bought it. And I like it. I think it's simple, it's basic. If you have like a job interview, it's a good top. You can tie it. I also have this little t-shirt. This is a baby tee from Shein. This one has a slightly different fit. Yeah. I got this from Shein. There's like, I think you get like a black one and a white one for like $8 or something on their website. So I'll link it down below. They have these like all year round, but this is like one of my favorite things I ever got from them because it washes well. I got this from Shein this summer? No, last summer. So I've had this for over a year now. So I keep this because I don't have a lot of going out shirts, so yeah. Next shirt I have in here, more sports memorabilia shirts. This I got from Public Butter recently and it was only like $12, so that's why I had to get it. That's why it's only $12! Oh no, there's a hole in it! That's okay, it's in the back, I can sew it. It's Bugs Bunny playing as Toronto Maple Leaf. Oh, this is really cute too. Next top I have here is the white version actually of the green top that I'm giving away. I got this in a medium because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized. One thing I don't like is how short the sleeves are though. Like, why are they so short? But it's cute tucked into things, so we're keeping this because I'm basic. Next thing I have here is this Forever 21 shirt with little like lettuce edges. I feel like this is a little middle school, so I'm not going to keep this. Next shirt we have here is, oh surprise, another white shirt. This one's from The Gap and I've been wearing these since I've been starting to do fashion videos on my channel. It's like the boat neck tees. They have them at The Gap every year. And if you get them 40% off, it's a really good deal. They wash well. I think they look really nice too. This is from Brandy Melville and I got this when I was in Barcelona. Actually no, did I get this? I think I got it before Barcelona. I can't remember. I think that's the best way to wear a crop shirt. Like you don't want it all the way up here. You want it right there. Next shirt I have in here. I wore this in LA and I like this. I think this is cool. And it's comfortable, so keeping this one. Next shirt is another shirt I wore in LA and I keep this as a workout shirt. But I think for working out, this is acceptable. Yeah. Next shirt I have here is my only Queen's University shirt. I designed these for Shop Spenny for homecoming when Yeezy was doing a bunch of these. And this is like a size small, so obviously it didn't sell as well as the other ones, but it says, I feel like Queens, And on the back it says no more parties on Aberdeen, because he wrote, like, he had a song called No More Parties in LA and he put that on the back of shirts. So I thought it'd be funny to put like no more parties on Aberdeen, because Aberdeen's like the big party street at my university. So yeah, we have to keep this for the men. This sweater I got in Paris, and I'm not sure if I ever put this on my channel, or maybe I did. Actually, no, I don't think I did, but it's pretty cool because there was this little store there that did like embroidery on sweaters, so I got my channel name here. Yeah, planning all my loungewear, but I really like this. It's a special memory from Paris and a really great souvenir. This top is from Brandy Melville. It's a black off the shoulder long sleeve. I don't think I ever wore this. I think I have to say goodbye to it. Next top, I have like this gray blue color of another top I have. You guys can tell, if I really like something, I'll buy it in repeats, because if it works, it works. This is really good. It's cute with these pants too, when you wear them with like white sneakers. Next top I have here, this is from Shein. It's a pinstriped top. It's just like a black going out top. I don't have anything like this, and I used to have a pinstriped skirt that I thought would look really cool, but ended up they didn't really match, so never did that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this for all the times I go out, which is never. This top is from Shein and it's a summer top. So I should put it away for now because I'm not gonna wear it right now. I'm gonna keep this one for the summer because I know I'm gonna bring it out again. This one I broke a button, so I don't think I can even button it up, but this one has to go. It's really cute, I broke it. Someone else will give it the tender loving care it needs. This is from XLE. I got this in a size small. This top is from JM Vintage and it's a racing tee. How cool. You guys may have seen in one of my styling thrift videos, wore this all buttoned up. We gotta keep this. So this is a mesh top. I like this. I like the ruching on the sleeves. It reminds me of that Kim Kardashian dress. I think I thought this would be fun, and I keep trying to make camo happen for me, but it doesn't work. This one I also got from the thrift store. If you guys realize, I actually have a lot of thrift finds in here. Where do you think this is from? So my sister actually made this, and it's meant to go over like this, and you can wear it to the beach. So we're gonna keep this because it's pretty basic. I like this. I think it's really sweet, and I think it'll be cute whenever we go back to LA. This top is from Hollister, back when I used to work at Hollister, like in high school. But it's such a good gray long sleeve, and I have nothing like it. Such a good basic, so we are keeping this. So I also have this little green crop top, really cute. Just a plain little skinny shirt. This is from Forever 21, and I got it in a large. It looks cute like this. This is another top that I'm saving only for the summertime or if we go on vacation. This top I have here, I got this from Zara so long ago, and it has an asymmetrical hemline. It's a really nice top actually. And you can wear it with leather leggings because it kind of covers your bum here a little bit. Another Brandy Melville long sleeve, but yeah, it's just a simple long sleeve. Like, I'd honestly wear this together and wear a pair of platform sneakers. There's that. You know, everyone has like one capsule wardrobe. I have like 7 D8. One of my go-to sweaters. I got this back in the day when I was working like a social media job and I wanted to look halfway presentable, so this was the halfway. I'm going to do a haul with this because I just got it and I love it, and it's really cute. It has thumb holes. The next sweater I have is this alarmingly bright yellow sweater. My aunt knitted this, guys. Turtleneck that she knit for me. She didn't knit it for me. She knitted this like before I was born. And a lot of YouTubers have this sweater actually. I think these are really good university sweaters because you can throw them on at the library. The last and final item of this massive closet purge, but not really because there's not that much stuff there, is this gray sweater. Okay, so it's just very like Aritzia or like high fashion-ish. I like the little design here. This one's gonna stay for now. Okay guys, so that is the end of this latest little closet purge. I'm gonna do a part 1, 2, 3, 4, however long it takes to get through all of my clothes, but this is all that we're purging today. And if you have any tips on closet purges, please let me know in the comment section below. I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.